welcome back to the channel, guys. What's going on? So if you're new to the channel, this channel is about drawing and exploring different mediums, from paper to pen, pencil, graphite, charcoal. Sticking to these types of mediums right now. I'm not getting into any painting just yet. Probably one day will do. So anyways, for this next piece that I'm going to work on, it's going to be a long series again, so it's going to be probably a long video at the end. I want to get into mandalas drawing. So I've done some preliminary drawings here that I think would work as a start. So this would be the inside of the mandala, and then so this would be kind of what that would look like. So that's where the inside would sit, and then getting into more details and shading and drawing, you know, using mostly pen and ink for this piece. So anyways, that's what we're gonna do. I got this really nice white board paper, nice and thick, and I'm gonna get going on this, guys. So stick around, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and follow along.